Hello, my dear friends, and today I am going to talk about Beirut Explosion. You must be upset about this explosion because I am too. I when I woke up on that day, I got to know that Beirut Explosion has been occurred, and it left the city in a great financial crisis. So I really felt bad for that country, and I really felt bad for the people who have lost their life, who have lost their home, who have lost their everything. So before starting on this video, let's give 2 seconds silence to the people who have lost their lives. Okay, so Beirut explosion was occurred on the afternoon of 4th August 2020. Two explosion occurs. Firstly, I used to know that only one explosion occur, but two explosion occur. First explosion was of a minor explosion, and second explosion was of a major explosion that really harmed the whole city of Beirut. So it occurred on the 4th August, and the venue of the occurrence is the port of Beirut, that is the capital of Lebanon. And explosion, I have already told you, it was two explosion damage, at least 158 deaths, 6,000 injuries थी, and US $10 to 15 billion in property damage, and 3 lakh people homeless. Also around 21 people are missing. उनकी सिचुएशन के बारे में, उनकी कंडीशन के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है. And why did this explosion occur? The cause is because of 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate of MV Rosas. MV Rosas was a ship, and the magnitude at which the explosion occurred is 3.3. Missing people, unknown situation, 22 people. Next, we will be discussing about the details of MV Rosas. Like on 27 September 2013, the Moldovan flagged cargo ship MV Rosas, owned by Russian businessman Igor Greshkin, set sail from Batumi, Georgia to Beira, Mozambique, carrying 2,750 tons of ammonium nitrate fertilizers. If we translate it into an Indian language, so 2750 ammonium nitrate is equal to the 27,50,000 ammonium nitrate kilogram. So you can guess it कि ammonium nitrate की वेटेज और उसकी कितनी ज़्यादा अमाउंट में था वो प्रेजेंट एट द शिप ऑफ MV Rosas. एंड बेसिकली एक बिजनेसमैन, रशियन बिजनेसमैन ने ट्रैवल करवाना था उस अमोनियम नाइट्रेट को फ्रॉम जॉर्जिया टू मोजाम्बिक. Then on 21st November 2013, made port in Beirut, the ship made port in Beirut because there was two reasons. There was two reasons discussed. One can be that mechanical issues and possibly engine problems. The second one is that they don't have sufficient funds to pay tolls for Suez Canal. And nextly, वो काफ़ी टाइम तक वहाँ पर रहा, एंड द शिप वॉज फाउंड सी वर्थी. वो शिप जो था वो डैमेज हो चुका था, और उसके रीजंस अननोन है. वो डैमेज हो चुका था और वो शिप ट्रैवल करने के लायक नहीं बचा था. आफ्टर द इंस्पेक्शन ऑफ बाय पोर्ट स्टेट कंट्रोल, शिप वॉज अनफिट फॉर जर्नी एंड फॉरबिडन टू सेट सेल. Then Grechkin went bankrupt. That Russian businessman वो bankrupt हो गया, और because of this जो उसके जिनको वो ये provide कर रहा था उनको वो कार्गो में उनका interest चला गया, and he abandoned the ship at the Beirut. And that cargo actually जो कार्गो था वो जो port of Beirut था वो थोड़ा उससे दूर था, मतलब काइंड ऑफ थोड़ा वन वे का थोड़ा दूर था, तो वो फिर वहाँ पास लाए. कार्गो brought ashore in 2014 by the order of judge. Cargo brought and placed in hangar 12 at port. Okay, so ship remained there for next 6 years. You can imagine, उस शिप को किसी ने टच भी नहीं करा और वो 6 years तक वहीं रहा है. We can call it as government's negligence because the MV Roses sank. जो MV Roses थी वो तो शिप February 2018 को सैंक हो गई थी, बिकॉज पहले तो वो सी वर्दी फाउंड हो गई एंड देन फिर वो डूब गई बिकॉज ऑफ वेदर कंडीशंस. Then you can see these dates: 21 February 2014, 27 2015, 5 December 2014, and so and so. These are basically the dates that the people present there have sent to the judge to please take care of the situation, as it is a harmless substance and anything can happen to it. And we can call it कि जो explosion है, it's because of government negligence, because they basically didn't hear their plate. They have मतलब जो letters send करे थे, they have read them, but they didn't respond to those letters, and now they are उनको अपना कर्मा मिल रहा है. इफ़ अगर वो पहले पढ़ लेते तो शायद ये explosion नहीं होता. Next, I'll be talking about how the explosion occurred. Like, firstly, on the afternoon of 4th August, afternoon में हुआ था. Large fire broke out in warehouse 12, where the ammonium nitrate was stored on the port of Beirut. It's completely unknown कि जो fire start हुई थी वो किसकी वजह से हुई थी. But there are reports there are that the fire started because of the fireworks present there. Nextly, in it was ammonium nitrate along with stash of fireworks. Like वहाँ पर fireworks is basically in Hindi language पटाखे. वहाँ पे पटाखे भी थे और वहाँ पे ammonium nitrate भी था. Then a large explosion occurred. Because of fireworks, एक large explosion occurred हुआ, sending a cloud of smoke and was followed by flashes of light. वहाँ पर वो पूरा एक explosion occurred हुआ, and this was a kind of minor explosion. Then second explosion that was much more substantial, much more harmful, and occurred around 33 to 35 seconds after the first. Can you imagine, just 33 to 35 seconds? Whole city got up, and whole city, the people present there really lost their life. Next, it shook central Beirut and sent a red-orange cloud into the air, briefly surrounded by white condensation cloud. You must have seen the videos कि एकदम से explosion हुआ and वो पूरी सिटी को जैसे earthquake आता है वैसे उसने हिला दिया. Next, the blast was equivalent to 4.5 local magnitude earthquake. हम यहाँ पर अगर 2.5 या 3.5 की रेंज में earthquake आता है हम तब डर जाते हैं, and can you imagine 4.5 की earthquake की रेंज में आया था तो blast कितना harmful था. And secondly, specialists term as one of the biggest non-nuclear explosion in history. Like nuclear explosion have occurred because of World War, but वहाँ पर situation ऐसी लग रही थी कि जैसे कि कोई war हुआ है, और जबकि ऐसा कुछ war हुआ भी नहीं था. It was just due to the negligence of government. Then we'll be talking about what are the damages that have occurred. At least 220 people were confirmed dead. More than 6,000 people were injured. 21 people were still missing. Several foreigners were among the deceased. Explosion overturned car and stripped steel frame buildings. जो steel frame buildings थी वो भी बच नहीं पाई. And home as far as 10 kilometers away were damaged by blast. Up to 3 lakh people were left homeless. grain elevator where they stored their grains were destroyed, causing food shortages during pandemic and a severe financial crisis. ऑलरेडी बेरिट फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस में है, वहाँ की करेंसी की वैल्यू लो होती जा रही है एंड ड्यू टू पेंडेमिक और लो हो गई थी एंड ड्यू टू दिस और ज़्यादा लो हो गई है. तो बेरिट जो है वो डेट में जाता जा रहा है. About 90% of the hotels were destroyed and 3 hospitals completely destroyed. St. George Hospital, one of the city's largest medical facilities, was less than 1 kilometer away, was badly damaged that staff were forced to treat their patients in the street. Can you guess जो सबसे बड़ा हॉस्पिटल था वहाँ पे जो पेशेंट्स होंगे जो वेंटिलेटर्स पे होंगे, अगर वो एकदम ब्लास्ट ऑफ हो गया तो वहाँ के वेंटिलेटर्स भी वर्क करना बंद कर दिए होंगे और जहाँ वहाँ के पेशेंट्स की डेथ हो गई होगी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. And also the patients were so badly damaged that the staff were forced to treat their patients in the street. Ships around the shore were such as Orient Queen, Jory, Mero Star were destroyed, causing injuries to the crew member. Beirut Rapid International Airport, the city's main airport located approx 10 kilometers away, sustained moderate damage to the terminal buildings during the explosion. So Beirut International Airport भी नहीं छूटा, वहाँ पर भी damage हुआ. So I pray to you, I pray for the lives of the Beirut people who have been disturbed by this explosion. I just want you to say that even if you wanted to denote some amount to the Beirut, you should not denote it to the government funds agencies because वो सारा government में जाएगा, वो इसमें नहीं जाएगा. तो you should denote to the जो local जो NGOs वगैरह होते हैं, जो local parties वगैरह होती हैं, जो I will include a link in the about section. You can donate it there as well. So thank you from my side. If you have any doubts related to this explosion, you can let me know in the comment section. And stay safe, stay healthy, and stay motivated.